Hello again, Rebecca here, and welcome back to another craft.o.clock design team layout. So I haven't done a scrapbook page for craft.o.clock in a while, and I thought I wanted to do one. So I'm going to use this lovely Scent of Nostalgia collection. We have all of the fun album junk journal pieces. We have the extras set, all of the fun florals. I do have some stuff already fussy cut in my little bag here. I've got the 6x6 paper. I have some scraps of that. I have the 8x8 paper, and then all of this beautiful 12x12. So I kind of have an idea. I want to use one of these. And this is paper number 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to utilize this paper kind of house our image. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Let's just make sure. Oh, that's lovely. Let's just go through and check to make sure that is the one I want to use. I'm going to map my photo in that, I believe. I have several of them here too, you guys, just in case you were wondering. Alright, that is the one I want to use. You just gotta make sure sometimes, right? Get that all straightened back out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take my X-Acto knife and I want to tuck this in here. Okay, do I want to do it down this side? I do. So we're going to tuck that in here and let this flower overlap and hope that it looks like what I'm thinking of. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. See if I need to cut anything else out, and I'll be back and we'll do the layout together. So I've got this nice lid tucked in. Now we're going to take all of these little floral pieces and I'm just going to build this cluster up down here. And yeah, that is going to be it for this layout. I'm really excited about digging into all of these. I might do something up there, but at this point, we're just going to kind of make it work. See what we can tuck around. So have you guys checked out any of the stores that carry craft.o.clock? I do know I said it's very big on Etsy, so please check that out. I will have a store linked in the bio. And you can always message me and I will give you a heads up on a store in the United States. If not, there is also a there'll be a link down there so you can go to their website and see just where you can purchase these fabulous collections. And they come out with new releases all the time and they're just stunning, you guys, just stunning. And as you can tell, effortless on making beautiful layouts. For some of these, I do use the scan and cut to kind of help me cut out some of these smaller pieces, but for the most part, I really just like to sit around and fussy cut them. So we're going to get in some of these brown leaves. And green ones. And the best part is they're mostly double-sided, so if you don't want it to go this way and you want the leaves to go that way, you can make it work. It's like my favorite part. Whatever way you need it to go, it will go. So we're just going to start sticking them in just to build up and give a little bit more dimension to this background. Let's see, where else can we get these little guys stuck in? All right, let's add one more element. Let's see if we can. That's a little too peach. And go over that. Do their fun sketchy lines just to, but I mean, there's the papers have so much like mixed media already printed on it that it's so easy, you guys, to create layouts. And that is going to do it. So don't forget to go check out the Facebook group and all that and see what they have sitting around. Check all the other designers out. Absolutely love this. Let's give you a bit of a close-up. Just bring the camera in so you can kind of see what we've got going on. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, that's going to do it, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.